All right, everyone. Welcome to Masala Relationship YouTube channel. Don't forget to
like,
subscribe,
and share.
And comment below if you have any questions or anything cool to say. Okay, so what is happening this morning?
I'm making uttapam.
Say that again for...
Uttapam.
Uttapam.
Yeah, it's called Indian pancake.
So what is this? Okay, so you've taken dosa batter and you have shredded carrot. Is that it?
Yep.
You just take dosa batter, shredded carrot, and okay. So, okay. I've never seen you make this before, hun. This is your first time.
Yeah. So what I do is, after this, if you have everything at one place, Jessica, try to search for a top.
You didn't have a top a minute ago, hun? So he already had made some this morning, but he's making some more because Surya is a late sleeper and he's a lazy guy. No, we're just kidding. He just woke up, so Joel loves to cook and he is making Indian pancake.
That's called...
Say it again.
No,
okay.
You say it.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, I don't remember how to say it.
You say it.
How? Wait, guys, hang on. It should look beautiful. Okay. Let me see you say it. I have to see your mouth.
No.
Uthma.
Huh?
Uthma.
No. Uttapam. U?
What did I just say?
Utma. You said utma.
What is that? That's close to like utma.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's uttapam.
Uthapam.
Mm-hmm. Say fast.
Uthapam.
Yep. That's it.
All right, guys. We'll keep you updated. Okay, guys, so we kind of have to sneak around the corner because if our little girl sees this camera, she will go crazy. Let's see. Let's see. These guys are chilling out. So actually, our little girl is teething really bad right now, and she's not feeling so great. So we're about to get her to sleep. Okay, what is that, hun, that you're doing right there? What is that?
This is coconut chutney.
Okay, so he's going to have this with coconut chutney.